Hi Tesla fans, I'm Ellie with T-Sportline. Check out this midnight silver metallic Model X that we just finished customizing. Now, when you take a first glance at it, it looks pretty stock, except for, of course, our 20-inch TSS wheels. They are finished in space gray, and that's a really good look on a midnight silver metallic Model X, Model S, or even on a Model 3. We actually make this wheel for all models Tesla. That's not the only thing that we did. What we actually did was completely transform the full interior using Ferrari Creme leather hides that we've imported from Europe. Let's go inside and check out how cool this is. Okay, check out the interior of this Model X. Absolutely stunning. We went ahead and imported Ferrari Creme leather hides. Yes, the real cream color leather hides that you would have if you ordered a Ferrari. We now put this into a Tesla Model X. And we reupholstered the lower dash, the center console, all 6 seats. And specifically on the seats, we spent a lot of attention to detail by perforating the inserts, something that Tesla used to do and don't anymore, but we love that look. And then of course our signature diamond quilting on the upper neck area really makes the seats look very sporty, classy as well. And because of the high quality grade of this leather, they are actually more comfortable to sit on as opposed to the vegan interior that Tesla offers. All 4 doors were reupholstered using, again, the Ferrari Creme leather, our signature diamond quilt on the inserts. And then you'll notice the speaker grills are actually cream also. And that's, again, a lot of attention to detail. They're normally black. We dyed them in the cream color to match. The dash decor and the door trim from Tesla came with figured ash. And that's a really cool look. It works really well with the cream. We took it one step further and installed our matching figured ash steering wheel. The selfish accessory, it's all about the driver. Feels good, looks good, it's the real deal, it's real wood veneers, really matches the interior and sets it off perfectly. So this interior is done. I hope you really like it. Please go ahead and share some comments at the bottom. If you don't already subscribe to our YouTube channel, please do so. We have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.